Now, see, this is visible to everyone or not? Now the PT, now PT9 syllabus is chapter 15, 16, and 17, and that date maybe on 29 or 30th. Okay. Hmm. Now everyone clear with the number of vertices, number of faces, and number of edges in a 3D three-dimensional shapes. So now I want to discuss about two, three 3D shapes. Now I think cube, cuboid, cylinder. Now see cube. Yesterday I tell you about cuboid. Now cube. Cube is same like cuboid, but cube cube is like cuboid, but in cube, in cube, all the faces are identical, and everyone know that what is identical. What is the meaning of identical? Everyone, is this clear to everyone? Okay. This is clear to everyone. Now the okay, Chirag, tell me what is the meaning of identical? What do you understand by this identical? Chirag? Yes. Equal. Very good. So we know that there is six faces. Yes. How many faces? Face in cube is six. And edges. How many edges? Asta? How many edges? Yes. Good. So face is 6, edge is 12, and uh, vertex is equal to 8. Yes. Now, yes, what happened? What happened? What happened? My voice is not clear to everyone. It's due to the. It is due to. It is due to the. Yes, it is due to the internet. So sometime it's blur and sometime. Oh, maybe. I don't know. It's a school internet connection. So there is a fast internet speed is fast, but sometime there is a problem. Okay, now the next shape is cylinder. Cylinder. Cylinder is like this, and see, this is the radius. These two are the radius, and one is the height. Now, Sneha, tell me how many number of faces. Number of face basically, face of faces. Number of faces in cylinder. How many number of faces? Neha, you know or you don't know? Astha, one. Number of face is basically one. This is the curve. Number of face is See, yes, face is basically the curved surface area. Curved surface area. This is the curved portion is basically. Acha, one more thing. Sneha, your construction for the parallelogram is wrong. I saw yesterday your construction was wrong. So at the last, I will tell you how to draw, and you can draw it again. Okay, at the last, I will tell you. Okay, now this is the cylinder, and this is the two height, and this is the two radius, and this is the one height. And number of face is the curved surface. Curved surface is basically the face. Okay. After that, sphere मैंने तुम्हें कल बता ही दिया था. Now the next is triangular prism. Triangular prism. Yes. कौन नहीं बताया? अच्छा ठीक है, इसके बाद मैं कौन बता दूंगा. So first check the triangular prism. So number of faces in how many number of faces in triangular prism? Chirag, can you tell me number of faces? Two faces in triangular prism. Yes, it is five face. Yes, it is five face. Two triangle and three rectangle. Two triangle and three rectangle. Okay, and how do you see the base? Basically, the base is triangular. That is why it is a triangular prism. The base is triangular. So how do you draw? First, you draw a triangle like this. First, you draw a triangle like this. Then you can draw a line here. Or don't, okay, you don't draw the line here. Just see. First, you draw the triangle, and then draw the another triangle here. And now you can join like this. And you can put this also in. So you see, there is a this piece is a rectangular piece, and this is also a rectangular piece. And the bottom, see, first face is at the this one. See, first face. This is the first face. What I wait, I marked the first face. See, this is the first face. Okay, clear? This is the first face. And now there is two triangle at the bottom. This is the bottom, and this is the top. And now you can see here, and this is, see. So there is three rectangle and two triangle. This is called a triangular prism. Is that clear? इसके अंदर the top and the bottom is triangle, and there is three rectangles also to close this, because it is a prism, so it is a closed, or it is a 3D, so it contains some volume inside it, space. Clear? सबने everyone must draw, because ये draw करना आना चाहिए. Okay, now the cone. तो अब आइसक्रीम तो मुझे लगता है कि सबने ही खाया है कि नहीं खाया है। कोन में आइसक्रीम खाया है। हाँ तो अभी नहीं खाना, अभी ठंड है, अभी नहीं खाना है किसी को भी। नाउ दिस इज अ कोन एंड this is the radius and this is the height, and you see this is the slant height, and it is represented by letter L. Clear? And again in a cone there is a surface area, there is one face only. Clear? If it is closed at the top, then there is two face. Otherwise, if it is open, then only one face, that is the curved surface area, curved surface basically. And if it is closed, then the top circle is also one face. Clear? You just, everyone can draw, and whatever the radius, height, slant height, then you all are able to understand na in higher classes कि किसको हम क्या कहते हैं. We where is the radius, where is the height, what is the slant height. Slant height is basically the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. So इस कोण में जो hypotenuse है, this is known as the tilted. Slant means the slanting height. Okay, that is, and that is represented by letter L. Okay, now the pyramid. Pyramid. अब मुझे ये बताओ कि किसने किसने मूवी देखी है द ममी. दिस इज ए इंग्लिश मूवी, द ममी. किसी ने देखा है? और इट इज डब्ड, और ये हमारे मतलब हिंदी में भी डब होके इस मूवी में बेसिक. हाँ हाँ, कौन, किसने बोला आई है? मैंने, कौन? हाँ हाँ, यस, डब्ड, डब्ड मूवी. हाँ, और सबको मालूम है ना कि पिरामिड, ये जो ममीज होती हैं ये पिरामिड्स में, पिरामिड, बड़े बड़े पिरामिड्स इजिप्ट में बने हुए होते हैं और उसके अंदर इनको स्टोर किया जाता, मतलब स्टोर किया जाता था, नॉट नाउ. तो जो पिरामिड है दैट एक्चुअली, तो उस पिरामिड का कुछ याद है? जिसने भी मूवी देखी होगी उसको पता होगा, लेकिन जिसने नहीं देखी होगी उसको पता नहीं होगा. सो द पिरामिड इज प्लेस्ड ऑन अ लैंड. ठीक है? सो द बेस ऑफ द पिरामिड, बेस ऑफ द पिरामिड इज स्क्वायर. पिरामिड का बेस इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि स्क्वायर हो, बट बेस ऑफ द पिरामिड इज स्क्वायर. पिरामिड, सो देर इज टू टाइप ऑफ पिरामिड. अभी बता देता हूं मैं. वन इज स्क्वायर पिरामिड and one is triangular, triangular pyramid. Ah yes, it is visible. So the base of the pyramid is either square and second is triangle. There is two shape. So for the pyramid there is two bases, one is square and one is triangle. So if the square, see, if the base is square, if the base is square, then if the base is square and the rest 1 2 3 4 means 4 plus 4 triangles. Base is 1, base is square, base basically the square plus 4 triangles. So how do you मतलब तुम इसमें बना कैसे सकते हो? तो तुम्हें एक ऊपर एक ऐसे पॉइंट लगाना एंड यू कैन जॉइन दिस ऑल. ठीक है? So if you see it carefully, then you observe that कि this is a pyramid और ये 3D shape है. ठीक है, किसी को इसमें कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो प्लीज पूछो. And this is called square pyramid. And in square pyramid, there is one base in square shape and the four sides in the triangular shape. Clear? So how many faces in this? So the face is 5. So the face is 5. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now there is 8 edges. E is equal to 8. And the vertex is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 is 5. And V is equal to 5. Clear? Any doubt in this? तो please पूछो मेरे से. किसी के वॉइस में प्रॉब्लम है? प्लीज म्यूट म्यूट. हाँ. Yes. Now see the square and triangle. So the base is square and the four sides basically are joined with a triangle. And the number of faces is 5, edges is 8 and vertices is 5. So I think now everyone can able to draw this figure. सब बना पा रहे हैं इसको? Good. अब हम बात करेंगे ट्राइंगुलर प्रिज्म की. सॉरी, ट्राइंगुलर पिरामिड के मैं प्रिज्म बोल रहा हूँ. सॉरी, ट्राइंगुलर पिरामिड. तो ट्राइंगुलर पिरामिड के अंदर क्या होता है कि द फेसेस आर इन फेसेस जो होते हैं, देयर इज 4 फेस एंड ऑल आर ट्राइंगल. ऑल आर ट्राइंगल. ऑल आर ट्राइंगल. ऑल आर ट्राइंगल. सो हाउ डू यू ड्रॉ? अब तुम इसे कैसे बना सकते हो? सो फर्स्ट you make a triangle like this. Okay, put a dot here, put a dot anywhere, not exactly the center. Then you can join this like, you can join like this. Clear? And this triangular prism is also called, this is a triangular prism and it is also called, it is also called tetrahedron. 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 Visible? So now in this, how many faces? 4. Edges, edges 6, and the corner is at the top also. There is a corner. So vertex is equal to 4. Clear? This circle indicates I circle the vertex only. So there is 1, 2, 3 at the bottom and 1 at the top. So the vertex is 4. Sorry. Clear? Everyone clear? now all 3D shape मतलब whatever जो तुम्हारे book में है all are clear. So you all are clear with 3D shapes and their dimensions मतलब उनके vertex के बारे में and edges and sides. So all everyone know this. Now you have to now yesterday you made a table. Today I want ki you must have to learn this. If it is a cuboid, then there is a then how many vertex is there, how many side faces there, how many edges is there. So everyone must learn that table. You made it yesterday. Okay. Okay. Now here is some MCQ question. Asta, can you please read it? First question. Okay. Yes, the options are, I will tell you, okay, just read the question, I will tell you the option. And you give answer also, Asta. Length only, length and breadth only, see, length, breadth and height only, and thickness only. Yes. Can you tell me why length, breadth and height is there? Very good. Now the next Chirag, ready for the answer? Read the question first. Chirag, read the question number two. Always at it. Now the option is cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder. Now tell me the answer, please. Yes, dice is an example of cube. Good. Next, Sneha, read the third question, please. Cuboid, cube, cone, cylinder. Cylinder? Yes, it is in the shape of cylinder because the pipe is hollow from the two end. Or if you state the if you make if you try to state when you see the pipe in a straight condition, then the two ends are the hollow and this is curved. So exactly right, your answer. Your answer is right. The option D, cylinder. Good. Next, Rajni. अच्छा ठीक है वर्षा सॉरी वर्षा टेल रीड द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन प्लीज cylinder cone sphere none of these good now rest you all can do in your do as homework or just we will discuss it little bit tomorrow also and don't do in homework copy just do in book only okay so now the class is over bye bye take care everyone bye 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 everyone